Hi and welcome to Blackburn Audi. My name's Fiona and today I'm really excited to give you a tour of this brand new Audi Q5 Sport finished in the stunning Glacier White metallic paint. Starting at the front of the car, we have the stunning LED headlights with LED tail lights, making sure you have maximum visibility on all your journeys. It's also complemented with the 18-inch alloy wheels in 5 twin-spoke dynamic design, really contrasting nicely against the white paint. The door mirrors are also electrically folding and heated with auto-dimming function, just making the journeys really easy for you. With the really nice aluminium roof rails if you do want to carry any bikes on there, as this is the perfect family SUV. And now opening up the boot space here, you can see this Q5 definitely does not disappoint. We have an absolutely huge spacious boot, and it is really good if you do plan on going on a lot of shopping trips, as it's a power operated tailgate, so it comes in automatically there with the push of a button. And moving on to the stunning interior with the fully leather front sports seats, you can't get any more luxury than that. Matte brushed aluminium inlays surrounding the Quattro detailing, as this car is a 4-wheel drive perfect for all roads and all weathers. This surrounds the multimedia interface, which is fully touchscreen with the sat-nav system, as well as telephone Bluetooth connect, really good for hands-free calls on the go, and DAB digital radio for your entertainment. It also comes with Audi Drive Select system, which allows the driver to be able to put the car into any mode that they would like, for example dynamic for that sportier drive, or efficiency if you're going on a longer drive and want to save some fuel. It also comes with an amazing quality rear view camera, just to make sure parking is as easy as possible for you in this SUV. Just below we have the 3-zone Deluxe climate control, so there's no arguing with the temperature in this car, as well as heated seats, just another added luxury for them winter months. We also have the Electromechanical parking brake and Audi's wireless phone charging box, so you can charge your phone on the go, out of the way without any distractions. And moving on to the driver's side with this stunning cockpit here, with the sat-nav telephone and radio display, so the driver doesn't even have to look away from the road. This is all controlled by the multifunctional steering wheel. We also have cruise control system with speed limiter, making motorway drives an absolute dream, as well as gear shift paddles and the automatic light system, just making your journeys a bit easier for you, and the electric door mirror controls. We can't forget the SOS button, really accessible there if you do need roadside assistance. So if you are interested, we have some amazing offers on, so please call 012 54 868 216.